In this video tutorial, we will look at the weight mission from the first LEGO League 2020 competition. This is the mission model. There are 4 different sectors in this model. It's a lever, and we have the black, the yellow, the purple and the blue sector. When we configure the mission model to be in the purple sector, it's more easy to lift the weight, and the weight is on the left side of the mission model. It is these wheels that we have, and if we change and place the mission model in the yellow sector, it gets more difficult for the robot, and if we configure it in the black sector, it gets even more difficult. And it's quite difficult to lift even with a hand. So that's the goal of the mission, for the robot to reach the attachment and to lift these wheels that are on the left side. This is our robot that we are using for this mission. Now let's complete the mission. We configure the mission model to be in the yellow sector.
Find this and more tutorials at FLLCasts.com.